So at Averitt, for the better part of 2 decades, we were doing transloading of container volumes, import and export. And we kept looking for better ways to accomplish that, both from a safety mode, from an employee experience mode, and then speed and efficiency. So our culture talks about many things, but one of the first things it talks about is how do we make life better for our associates? And the way to make things better for your associates is to give them a better ease of work.
Being at a port city here in Savannah, we receive a lot of containers, 2,000 to 3,000 containers a year that we transload. They're trying to squeeze as much product in a container as possible, so they don't want the loss of space in between pallets or even the pallet itself. So you can get maybe 10, 15% more product by leaving it full loaded. So it's high labor. You know, when it's June and it's 100 degrees in Savannah and the humidity's extreme, folks start thinking, man, why am I unloading containers for a living?
So we needed something that addressed all of that. And the Destuff-it tended to do that, whether it came down to the ability of the machine itself to handle a multitude of products, whether it came down to the safety aspects of the machine, and then when it came down to literally the fans. Even the fans help sell this product. So in looking at all of that, I took it upon myself and I went to our executive team in corporate and I said, if we want to make the lives better of our associates, we want to build speed and efficiency, and we want to give something to our customers to understand what we're doing to protect their product, to make it easier to transload it, this is the machine. I finally pushed this through and we purchased 2 machines, one in Houston, Texas, and one in Savannah, Georgia.
And then when you put it in place, you're kind of excited what's going to happen, how's this look, and the first thing is our guys are like, man, I'm not sure.
So in the beginning, I think that every associate is resistant to change, right? We all are kind of a little skeptical about what that means different, even to the point of, are they trying to eliminate my position within a piece of equipment, right? And what we assured them was, this is not automation, it is assistance. And the great thing about it is, once, like any great tool, once you gave it to them, you try to take it away and you're in trouble.
The truth is, this used to be a 12-hour process for us. We'd start about 6 in the morning and we'd finish up about 6 at night. Now we start at 4 in the morning, we're done by noon. From a business aspect, we're more productive. We've doubled the amount of cartons we can move per hour. Our doors are able to be utilized more times. We don't need as many doors to get the same amount done. Used to, we'd have 2 employees do 2 containers in a day. That was kind of what a day looks like. Now 3 employees can do 5 containers in the same amount of time. So we've seen about a 40% reduction in labor costs. So when you couple 40% improvement in labor costs, a shorter shift, which means better morale, a little bit less leadership needed, low turnover rate, which is always good for us, coupled with lack of accidents, and it's a win-win. We've not experienced an injury since we've put the Destuff-it in place. We were experiencing a few injuries, again, mainly lower back injuries, but now we're not. That's huge.
I can't speak enough about it from an overall standpoint of how pleased I am with it. Like I said, I've been doing this for over 20 years, and it's the best device we've found so far to enhance the lives of our associates, the experience for our customers, and to overall better manipulate the volumes that come in.